Hobbies. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are here to improve our listening skills. So if you want to improve your listening, please subscribe and like my video. Life is not only about work and study. We also need time to relax. We need time to smile, laugh and enjoy. That is why hobbies are important. A hobby is something we do for fun. It is not work, it is not a job, it is something we enjoy. I have many hobbies. I like listening to music, I like reading books, I like walking in the park. I also like taking photos, drawing, and sometimes cooking. When I do my hobbies, I feel happy, I feel calm, I feel like myself. Every day, I try to spend some time on my hobbies. Sometimes I draw. I take my notebook and make simple pictures. I do not need to be perfect. I just enjoy the colors and the lines. Sometimes I write about my day. Writing helps me feel better. My mind becomes quiet. I also enjoy watching movies. I choose a good movie, make some tea, and relax. Movies help me learn new things. They also help me laugh and cry. It is good for the heart. It is good for the brain. On weekends, I meet my friends. We play games or talk. We go for a walk or ride our bikes. Spending time with friends is also a hobby. We don't need to go to big places. We can sit in the park and enjoy the day. We can share food and stories. These small things make me very happy. Hobbies are good for the mind. When I feel tired or sad, I do something I enjoy. After that, I feel better. My stress goes away. My head feels light. I can think clearly. Hobbies help me relax and smile. Hobbies are good for the body too. When I walk or ride a bike, I move my body. When I dance or play a sport, I sweat and feel fresh. Movement is good for health. Even when I clean my room while listening to music, I feel good. Some hobbies help me sleep better. When I read a book before bed, my eyes feel tired in a good way. I sleep faster and deeper. When I use my phone too much, I cannot sleep. But when I draw or write, my mind slows down. I feel calm. Hobbies also help me eat better. When I feel happy and relaxed, I want to cook simple food. I want to eat something healthy. I don't eat fast or too much. I enjoy my food more. My body feels good. Everyone needs a hobby, old or young, busy or free. Everyone. A hobby can be simple. It can be walking, drawing, cooking, listening to music or writing. You don't need money. You don't need to be the best. You just need to enjoy it. Sometimes people say, I don't have time for hobbies, but even 10 minutes a day is enough. You can drink tea and listen to soft music. You can look at the sky. You can write one page in a notebook. You can sing your favorite song. These small things help the heart. Hobbies are like food for the soul. They give us joy, they give us energy, they help us live better, just like sport and healthy food. Hobbies help our body and mind. I tell my friends to find their hobby. I say, try something, try drawing, try dancing, try reading, see what you like. A hobby is not for school, it is not for work, it is just for you. It is your time, your joy. Now I try to have balance in life. I study, I work, I eat well, I move, and I also have fun. This balance makes me feel good. I feel happy and strong. So if you feel sad or bored, try a hobby. Try something new. Try something fun. It can change your day. It can change your life. Life is short. Let's enjoy it. Let's smile more. Let's do what we love.